Hi guys, this is a tutorial on how to make a BeanBear plushie. Don't forget to hit that alert button and subscribe button for more upcoming tutorials. Materials required: scissors, fabric pen, needle and embroidery thread for the nose, some safety eyes which I've purchased off Amazon, some fabric. I have polar fleece, but any fleece can be used or Minky fabric can be used. I've mixed rice and beanbag balls together because I wanted mine to be heavier. However, you just can use beanbag balls. We're going to fold the fabric in half and we're going to draw around our bear pattern. Now we're going to cut out the pattern. Now we have the bear shape, it's time to put our safety eyes on. Now the eyes are in place, it's time to hand sew on the bean bear's nose. Now we need to place the fabrics both right sides together, and we're going to sew all the way around the bear until we get to the bottom. We're going to leave a gap and then continue sewing. Now where the gap is, we're going to turn the bear right side out. Now I'm going to stuff the bear with the rice and beanbag balls. Now it's time to sew up the bottom and close that gap. We're going to use a slip stitch for the bottom. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit that alert button and subscribe button for more upcoming tutorials.